Now this, to me, is perhaps one of the most fascinating objects that I've been able to look at here. Now this is a typewriter that was owned by Tennessee Williams, and it was owned by him at the time he was writing A Streetcar Named Desire. It's likely that at least some of Streetcar was written on this very typewriter. He later gave the typewriter to Maria Bretneva, who was one of his best friends, and she said it was the typewriter that he wrote much of it on.